Shem-Tov here with the Foglight team. In this Foglight User 101, we will talk about the Foglight Graphic User Interface. Let's log into Foglight. When you log into Foglight, notice the main display area, the action panel, the navigation panel, and the top panel. These panels are collapsible. You can click on the triangle, collapse the top panel, right panel, and left panel. You can also extract these panels by clicking on these triangles again. Notice that you can move the dividers or collapse a panel and then hover on top of it and get the panel back. The panel will disappear as soon as you move your mouse back to the main area. If this is your first time logging into Foglight, chances are that this is your default page. To choose a different default page, all you have to do is choose a dashboard and choose Make This My Home Page from the Action panel. Next time we log into Foglight, this will be our default page. When you use Foglight, you have the ability to choose between two themes: Application and Monitoring. Monitoring can be more comfortable when you're looking at your own screen. Application may be better if you're presenting in a conference room. You can change your time frame by clicking on this triangle. Choose between different settings, different presets. You can switch between a calendar time frame or a timeline. You can zoom in on a specific area in time by dragging the borders. And moving the zoner. Just remember that your time frame is now frozen. To release it, all you have to do is click on the button. And in this case, we'll just go to the 4-hour time frame. If you want to change your default time frame, all you have to do is go to Configuration, User Preferences, and choose your time range. In this case, I changed my default time range to 1 hour. And save. On the left side in the navigation panel, you have a list of dashboards that are available for you. Under Homes, you will find commonly used dashboards, and then under Dashboards, you get the full list of dashboards. Notice that you can collapse the list. There is an area called Bookmarks that allow you to bookmark important or interesting dashboards. We'll just choose an infrastructure dashboard, and then from the right panel, we bookmark that dashboard. This way we don't have to look for those dashboards in the navigation tree. They are easily located under bookmarks. When you work with Foglight, in many cases you will see tables and graphs. Typically for tables, there is a customizer icon on the top right. This button allows you to add or remove parts of the display. Or export the information. Notice you can export as PDF, CSV, Excel, or XML. You can interact with icons on the screen, see pop-ups, or drill down. Notice when you hover on top of graphs, you get a little customizer icon where you can change the display type, eliminate certain objects, or export the graphs. In this case, you can export as PDF, Excel, CSV, XML, or an image. You can zoom in on specific areas in the graphs by clicking on the Control button and dragging the mouse over the graph. You can do it repeatedly. When you do so, there are three icons that appear on the top left. You can go back to previous zoom, reset zoom, or apply the time of the zoom to the entire page. This pretty much freezes the time frame on the entire page, showing you all the graphs in that time frame. If you want to release the time frame, all you have to do is click on the clock. That's it. Now you're ready to start working with Foglight.